Family, we have to learn to build with those who build with us. You know, I have noticed that you're going to have a lot of people who celebrate with you once you make it to a certain status, because they literally watch you rise. Now, keep that in mind. They watch you. They didn't assist you. They didn't say keep up the good work. They didn't, you know, encourage you when things was low. They didn't invest when you was like, hey, I got something. They didn't do none of that. But once you make it, they're going to want to celebrate with you. They're going to want to say, hey, I know you. Hey, we from the same town. Hey, I grew up with him or her. You know what I mean? Hey, yeah, I remember when they started. And you thinking to yourself, I ain't even know you remember when I started. But we have to celebrate with those who celebrate with us. And it might only be a few handful of people. But just stay loyal and stay down with them, because that's who was down with you. Remember, everybody else that's come along, you know, they just come for the celebration. You know, they'll dress up and play the part. But remember, they ain't gonna help you do the work. They didn't help you build. They didn't help you grow. So as you get to your level and you get to where you're trying to get to, remember those who help you build, family. Hog on.